Market update for the 17th. So last video I talked about how I bought some puts right here and expecting a gap down, and that's exactly what we got. Moved down to 425.97. I sold my puts within a minute after the market opened because I saw that it was a 1.61 fib. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Either a first wave or an A wave. Then we got A, B, C, B, or a second wave right here. It retraced. Let's see how far it retraced. Retraced a little bit past the 0.61 fib, pretty normal for a B wave or a second wave. And then going into the end of the day, we have a 5-wave move down here for an overall first wave. Of course, this could go down more at the start. I'm not really sure where the end will be. We can make a guess based on the fibs. I would say there's a good chance that it might have already bottomed out, but maybe 425, 85 maybe in the morning, and then bounce up here to the high 427 to 428, expecting next move to 424, then 425, and then ultimately either 422 or 420. For whatever this is, it's either A, B, C or 1, 2, 3. If it's 1, 2, 3, then I'm expecting the 5th wave to bottom out here between 416 or 417, and then we can start talking about where this is going and what kind of structure it is. But right now we're kind of just waiting to figure out the structure. Could be a corrective, or it could be impulsive. Obviously this move is impulsive, this is corrective, but we need to see what this 3rd wave does in order to determine what kind of impulsive move we're going to get over the next week or so. So let's zoom out a little bit and take a look. On the 4-hour time frame, it is just 2 red candles, but we remember looking for 417 for the 4th wave, and the B wave a minimum of 405.27. So if we go to 416, 417 for an A wave, I mean, here's the thing. I'm zooming in on the 5-minute time frame, so it kind of makes it confusing. But if it is a 5-wave move, it could be the A wave of the B wave. So it could be A bounce for a B wave, and then one more move down here to 405. So if we get down to 416 or 417. Then that would be perfect to come down here and in this area right here for a B wave. I'm kind of thinking that it's going to be either, well, I'm leaning towards the ABC move the most now, and the reason for that is just following the dollar. I think the dollar probably has one more move higher here. Now I'm thinking like 107, 108 maybe. And I think this move down might be pretty quick. And then we're going to get the dollar moving down farther to 102 to 103 going into midterm. So this move took, I guess this move only took a month. So let's say if it takes another month to come down here, or maybe even longer, who knows? But I think that there's a good chance that we come up here, go down to 405 or so, and then bounce up to 440 or 450 before selling off into midterms. That's kind of my thoughts on that, because I don't think the dollar will stay down all the way to midterms based on the time frame, but I think it can stay down long enough for us to go potentially into I don't know, maybe like mid-September, and then maybe sell off. These are all guesses though. The 5-minute chart is really all you need to look at right now, and just know that we're trying to figure out the structure of this. So just remember, tomorrow probably high 427s to low 428s, and then we should get a move down here to about 424. The stop would be above 429.57. So that's a pretty good trade idea. That's probably what I'll be doing. So if you want to buy some SPY puts, you can try to make some money trading tomorrow. 5-minute chart seems to be pretty good. Sometimes I'll go all the way down to the 1-minute chart but you have to be able to realize what the entire move is when you're zoomed in this far, because if you pull it up too closely, you can get confused pretty easily. So what else do we want to talk about? Let's talk about the VIX. The VIX is looking, I know I say I don't do Elliott wave on this. The VIX, as long as it holds 1914 still, we should be able to get one more move higher to hopefully 2240, or maybe in this area right here. And that would probably be a corrective wave, and then we'd probably move down again going into September. So I'm not going to really talk about the yields right now. They're going up, but basically this is all you need to know. Zooming out again, we're looking for minimum on this pullback of 417.46 no matter what scenario. So if it's a fourth wave, if it's an ABC scenario where this is A, B, C, 417, or if we get the move that I talked about from months ago all the way down to the low 300s, then obviously we're going to hit 417. So I would, if you're buying your individual stocks right now, you might want to wait till we get down to at least 417, because you're probably going to get a better opportunity. I added some individual stocks today, but not that much, because I like to scale into them. But just watch 417.49 as the minimum level that will hit on this downtrend. So that's the update for today. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you have any questions about my trading style or the waves or anything like that, let me know and I'll try to explain it better if I haven't explained it very well in the video. And I will see you tomorrow for another market update. Have a good night.